can make use of your jotter. If you have a jotter at home, you can see one is okay. Since so far the jotter is up to 5 inches length round, if you can get your 5 inches measurement round like a square on the paper, then it's fine. So you are going to measure with your tape measure, or if you have a ruler, let's make use of a ruler here. You measure 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. You come to the side, you measure 5 inches, then towards the left hand side you measure 5 inches. So you connect. Now you can cut. So you can cut now. So we have 5 inches here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, round. So now the next thing is to measure 1.5 from this edge. From this edge, you measure 1.5. 1.5. Then after that, come to this other edge, measure 2 inches. 2 inches. So you come to this side again, you measure 1 inch upward. 1 inch. Then come to this side, measure 1.5 upward. 1.5. So let me use arrow to describe properly. Can you see? So you can come to the edge at this side, measure 1 inch. 1 inch. You measure this way. Then at this side you measure 2 inches. So 2 inches. Now what is left is to connect. You connect this 1.5. You can use your hand, and you can also make use of your pattern master. But for the sake of this class, I'm going to make use of my hand, because it's not everybody that have pattern master. I want you to be able to do it on your own without. So you connect this 1.5 again, you connect it to this side, you curve it a bit curve. Now from here to here you curve. Do it anyhow it's easier for you. Now make sure that this curve comes in. It comes in. You can see the circle, then do this side too. So you curve, curve and curve. So we are done. We are to cut now. Note, we didn't add sewing allowance to it while drafting the pattern. So when you want to cut, this is what we have now. So you are going to cut 2 pieces of this one on the fabric and another 2 pieces on the lining. So let's cut on fabric now. Check the wrong and the right side of the fabric so you have it. You don't need much fabric to to work on this. So you can make use of your chalk if you like. You mark ½ inch round. You can mark ½ inch round. So ½ inch. Hope you can see. You take ½ inch, then you can make use of your fabric scissors and cut. So here is what we have. Then you pick your lining. Instead of using this, you can just place this directly on your lining and cut. I folded my fabrics into two before cutting. So we have 2 pieces of this and 2 pieces of this. So we have 2 pieces of this and 2 pieces of this. We made use of this to cut. So now let's sew. So you look for the right side of the fabric, the right side facing the right side. So now you place it and you join this curved side. Make sure you top stitch before you continue your sewing. You can sew with ½ inch depending on the person you are sewing for, and if you want it to be a bit bigger, you can make use of 0.25 to do your joining. So you join the lining too. So now you turn to the right side. See, this one too is the right side, right? Now the lining right side will be facing the right side of the fabric. So you have wrong side here, wrong side here. Then you join here and here. Stitch very well so that it doesn't. You turn to the other side. Make sure you push both the lining and the fabric inside so that you will be able to join properly. So you stitch at the beginning and at the end of your stitches. So now you can see it. So we turn in out. So now we are turning to the right side of the fabric. So this is what we have. Now we left this place open because that's where our elastic band will be. So now before you put your elastic band, you will need to press this to make it look neater. and better. So we have, can you see it is well pressed now. Now you come to your elastic, you pick up your elastic and you measure 7 inches. You can make use of your ruler to do this too. It's not compulsory. You use tape measure for people that are not tailors or fashion designer, but you just want to use it. And it's not compulsory you use a sewing machine. You can make use of your needle and thread to do this whole sewing. Now you come to the edge. This is how it is normally. You know, it's rough. In order to make it neater, you fold it in like half an inch. You fold it in, and now you insert your elastic, half inch of your elastic, you insert it and you sew. You can measure. You sew. Make sure you top stitch like maybe about 3 to 4 times so that it can hold your elastic in properly. And you do the same thing. You can see you do the same thing for this side. You turn it in like half an inch. You turn it in like half an inch, and you pick your second elastic. You insert half an inch inside. Then you place it. Remember to stitch like I said. Then you place these two inside. And that is your mask. Your face mask is ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have any question, you can write your comments in the comment section below this video. I'm going to compile all your questions and answer them in a separate video. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. We are Curves and Edges Fashion School on Instagram, and on the same Instagram we are curves_n_edges, and on Facebook we are curves_n_edges. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye.